for making it to this page, because what I'm going to show you has banked me $593.25 in the last few hours on almost complete autopilot. What I had to do to generate this income was literally click a mouse. Okay, so if you have cryptocurrency or you've been looking at cryptocurrency and you want to trade it, you're a cryptocurrency enthusiast and you're wondering how you're going to actually make money with this when you see the prices of cryptocurrency going down, well, this is going to fix all that. Okay, I'm going to walk you through in the next 10 minutes this platform that is generating me an income, and it is helping so many people get financially free. So take a look at this. Check this out. Let me show you my results, all right, from just today on this platform, and then I'm going to show you how I use this platform, okay? So I'm going to open this up. These are my trades. Let's go and take a look. This is today, all right? So we're going to go ahead and add this up. These are different trades that I took on this platform. Now, I didn't have to know when to enter, when to exit, what to do. I'm going to show you guys that in a second, okay? Because the system actually told me, hey, it's a good time to take a trade. Go ahead and do it. I clicked the button and then I walked away. Came back and saw that I won. That's how easy this was. So check this out. So I generated $228.92, okay, on this trade and on this trade. So we're going to do $228.92 times 2, all right? So that's $547 in earnings right there, all right? And then the next one, I had two more trades that generated me $232.15. So I'm just going to go 232. All right, so it's $922.14 in winning trades. Now, the one that I lost was right here. There is a loss in here, and that's going to happen every once in a while. So I'm going to subtract that out for 332.43, all right? And I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at that. That's $589.71 that was earned in these trades. Now, I took these trades between 3:38 and 4:05 p.m. today. That's why I'm excited about this, all right? Pretty insane. And here's how I did this. This is the platform that I'm using. It's called Spectre. And it's a very new platform. There's very little people on this platform actually trading. No one even knows this thing exists. All right, there's maybe a couple hundred people that are finding that know about this right now, and I'm going to show you how it works. So what happens is you come in here, I can deposit an Ethereum into the back office, and then I can go ahead and trade with that. Now, when I make a trade, because of smart contracts, if I win, that money's in my account, I can withdraw it. All right, it's that easy. Now, here's how I'm going ahead and winning with this. I don't know a lot about reading charts. I've never been good at it. Okay, I've never been good at that stuff. But what I am good at is listening to what the system tells me. So every once in a while, these alerts pop up, all right? So you'll have an alert that pops up, and it looks like this right here. Okay, it'll beep at you, and this yellow alert will pop up, and then I can go ahead and see, oh, it tells me that there's a trade that I can take. I'll click on this chart to go ahead and load what this chart is, and then I'll take the trade. Now, how do I know what trade to take, right? Well, there's a little button right here that I can click on, and it will actually tell me like, hey, we detected a signal here. All right, we detected this signal. Here's what it does. Here's how you would detect it on your own. And if you don't like to read, there's a little video that pops up that you can play that tells you how they came to that conclusion that this is a good trade to take. All right, you can watch this video, and it will tell you why they think that this is a good trade to take. That's insane. Like, all the work's done for me, okay? So then what I do is once it says, hey, there's a trade that you can take, all I do is I go in here and I click this button, either up or down, whichever direction I want to go. All right, so if I click up, all right, saying that the market is going to go up, that this GPD CHF is going up, even if you're not even sure what this stuff means, you can click the up button, and then I can go over here and I can put in 0.5. That's half an Ethereum, right? Or I can put 0.01, right? That's $6.37 on this trade. And then I can say I want this trade to end in 15 minutes. And when I take this trade going it's going to end in 15 minutes, if I hit that button, when that trade ends, if the euro is higher than CHF, then I made a profit, and I didn't even have to really think about this. And here's the ROI that you're getting on this. It's a 74% ROI if this wins. the potential payout is 0.174 Ethereum, which is insanity to me. So that's how I did this. I literally came into this platform, okay? Literally came in, created an account, deposited some Ethereum, and then when it beeped at me, all right, to make my trade, I looked at it and I said, okay, what's going on here? I clicked on the little chart button and it showed me the chart that it recommends I trade on. And then I clicked a little video to see why they selected that and what to do. It told me what to do, and then I took the trade. That is all I did to generate this income over the last few hours. It's $598.71 over the last couple of hours. That's all I did. So you can see why I'm a little bit excited about this platform. So if you've been in cryptocurrency, and I've been heavily invested into cryptocurrency, I've been with the ups, I've been with the downs in this space, I've made money and I've lost money depending on the direction of coins, and none of that matters when I'm using a system like this, because I can just go ahead and trade it on this platform. So this is, to me, one of the most revolutionary platforms that I've seen come out in the last, I don't know, 5-6 years. I've done a lot of Forex and I've never seen a system that has performed this well. Insanely excited about it, all right, okay? And what you can do is you can start an account for free. You can create a demo account. All you have to do is click on the button below this video, and when you do, it's going to take you over to a page that looks like this. All right, generate as much as $83 in profit in under 5 minutes. You click on the Start Trading button, and you can create your free account, all right, your free demo account in the system. That's all you have to do. Click on the button below, create your free account. And when you get back there, it's literally going to walk you through what you need to do, all right, to go ahead and start trading on the platform. You can start with a demo account, and then if you like what's happening, you can go ahead and put money in it. So it's 100% risk-free. I just wanted to share the news on this because this platform and this system it's insane that I can come in here and in the first couple of hours, right, not knowing even how to use the system, I can get in here, I can do a KYC, which means I submit some information, all right, because they're all above board. They're going to make sure that I'm actually who I say I am. Then I can move Ethereum in and start trading. And when I do that, my goodness, to go ahead and generate an income of $589.71 in the last couple of hours is a pretty exciting thing. Imagine what that's going to do for you when you can go ahead and generate $600 in the next couple of hours on a trading platform. Now, I can't guarantee that you're going to get these results because, you know, you'll see when you sign up for the platform, there's disclaimers everywhere, right? But the potential exists for that to happen. And I'm very excited to be the one to help you.